Have you ever noticed how often native speakers use the word just? It's a small word, but it shows up everywhere in everyday conversation, like, I just finished lunch, or I was just asking. Or maybe, I just think this might work, or even the phrase, just saying. That little word, just, helps make English sound more natural, softer, and more conversational. But the interesting thing is that just doesn't always have the same meaning. Depending on the situation, just can show time, minimize something, or soften what we're saying. So, for today's podcast English lesson, we're going to look at several very practical ways that native speakers use the word just in everyday English. And once you start noticing it, you'll realize native speakers use just all the time.
Welcome to another Happy English podcast coming to you from New York City. And here's your English teacher, Michael.
All right, thank you, John, and thanks, everyone. It's Michael here from Happy English, and I help people speak English better. And this is Happy English Podcast, episode 1012, Practical Uses of Just in Everyday English. Let's start with one of the most common uses of just, and that is to talk about something that happened very recently. When we use just like this, we're talking about something that happened a short time ago. Let's say you text a friend to see what they're doing. They might reply with, I just got home. That means she arrived a little while ago. Or in the office, if a coworker asks if you're ready to go to lunch, you might say, actually, I just finished lunch. That means you finished a short time ago. Here's another example. Maybe you're waiting for a friend and they text you asking where you are. You might reply, I just got here. In American English, we often use the simple past with just, like, I just finished, or I just got here, even though textbooks sometimes teach the present perfect. Either way, the idea is the same. Just shows that the action happened very recently. Another practical use of just is when we want to minimize something. In these situations, just makes what we say sound smaller or lighter or less serious. Like maybe you call a friend in the evening and they sound surprised to hear from you. You might say, oh, I was just calling to say hi. In that situation, just helps show that the question is not a big deal. Here's another example. At work, the boss might ask you why you walked into their office. You might say, oh, I just wanted to ask a quick question. This word just helps make the action sound simple and casual. Or when you're in a shop and the salesperson asks if they can help you, you might reply, thanks, but I'm just killing time. In all of these situations, just helps make the action sound smaller or less important. Another very common use of just is to soften what we say. In English, we often use words like just to make our statement sound less direct and more polite. Like, you might be giving relationship advice to a friend. Instead of saying, you should try calling her again, you might say, I just think it might help if you try calling her again. The word just helps make the suggestion sound gentler. Or when you're at work and you want to suggest an idea, but you don't want to sound too strong or pushy, you might say something like, I just think this idea might work. The word just softens the opinion. It makes it sound more conversational. Here's another example. When you're confirming plans with a friend, you can say something like, I just want to make sure we're meeting at 7 at the sushi place on 29th Street, right? Again, just softens the statement and makes it sound more polite. Here's another place you'll hear just all the time, and that's when people explain their intentions. Like, imagine someone walks into your office and you ask why they came by. They might say, "Oh, I was just checking to see if you're free." The word just helps show that the person is not trying to interrupt or cause trouble. Here's another example. Maybe someone sends you a text message and later on follows up with another message saying, "I was just making sure you saw my text." In these situations, just helps make the explanation sound friendly and casual rather than demanding. And finally, another interesting way we use just in conversation today is in the phrase "just saying." Native speakers often use "just saying" when they want to make a comment, suggestion, or criticism, but they don't want to sound too direct or serious. And we tend to use "just saying" at the end of a sentence. Like, if you and your friend are choosing a restaurant and your friend suggests a place that's always crowded, you might say something like, "That place is always packed on Friday nights, just saying." In other words, you're pointing out a possible problem, but you're doing it in a casual way. Here's another example. Imagine someone at work suggests finishing a big project in one day. A coworker might respond, "That might take longer than a day, just saying." The speaker is sharing an opinion, but the phrase "just saying" softens the comment and makes it sound less confrontational. And sometimes people even use "just saying" after a slightly critical or sarcastic comment. Like, if a friend keeps arriving late, someone might joke and say, "You know, the movie started 20 minutes ago, just saying." In this situation, the speaker is pointing out something obvious, but using humor to keep the conversation light. And here's another funny everyday situation. Imagine you and a friend order a large pizza, and your friend eats almost the entire thing. You look at the pizza box and say, "You know, there were 8 slices of pizza in that box, just saying." In this case, you're pointing out something in a playful or slightly sarcastic way. Okay, let's recap. Native speakers use the word "just" in several practical ways in everyday English. First, we use "just" to talk about something that happened very recently. "I just finished lunch." We also use "just" to minimize something or make it sound less important. "I was just asking." Next, we use "just" to soften opinions or suggestions. "I just think this might work." We often use "just" when explaining our intentions. "Oh, I was just checking to see if you're free." And finally, we use the phrase "just saying" at the end of a sentence when we make a comment or point out something in an indirect or sometimes sarcastic way. Like, "Jack, the meeting started 10 minutes ago. Just saying." It's a small word, but it makes your English sound much more natural and conversational. Try using "just" or "just saying" in your English conversations this week. And keep in mind, the best way to remember English like this, and any other word or phrase in English, is to take that word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. Hey, thanks for listening. And remember, learning another language is not easy, but it's not impossible. And I'm here to help you on your journey.
This podcast was brought to you by Happy English. Please visit myhappyenglish.com. Show your support for Happy English by leaving us a review. Get English, get happy, Happy English.